More news coming in. Delhi police versus Mamata Banerjee showdown at this point in time is what we are learning. We will be getting in more details, but remember this has been an ongoing problem really between the TMC and the Delhi police. She is in Delhi. Let's take a listen.
अनुराग जी लाइव है.
दिल्ली पुलिस किसी को नहीं दे सकता है. दिल्ली के जमींदार का जमींदारी चल रहा है.
एनआई से कटा है. लाइव के लिए बोल रहा है.
यार अजीब आदमी है. लाइव
कोई जगह नहीं है.
ठीक है, पता पड़ा. लाइव
क्या करेगा था.
All right, so the showdown between the Delhi police and Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is in fact, in Delhi, and right now the allegation is about showing heavy police deployment at a time when she is in Delhi to meet the Chief Election Commissioner over the showdown that is being seen on the issue of SIR.
They have been tortured. Don't you think media have the right to know? Tomorrow 3 o'clock there is a meeting. Media has been called. There is a press conference in Banga Bhavan. So there you will be invited. So that you can meet the people. Because Delhi people doesn't know what they are doing in Bengal. Always they used to defend the Bengal. But they do not know what torture they are doing on. And that's why just now I've got the information and I didn't change even my clothes. I'm just going as a house staying. And Abhishek was also used to do something work. I said, let go with us. So I'm going to Banga Bhavan.
Shreya Chatterjee getting in the details on that story. She's tracking. Shreya, talk to us about what really has happened here. What exactly is the contention of the Bengal Chief Minister who's in Delhi?
Well, Sneha, the contention of the Bengal Chief Minister is the kind of deployment that has been done by the Delhi police outside the two Banga Bhavans. One in Haley Road, the second one at Chanakyapuri. Just to give you an idea, you can see how Delhi police personals have been guarding the entire Banga Bhavan stretch. This is the two Banga Bhavans I'm talking. Look at it. They have barricaded this entire area. The reason so, because there are some family members who are aggrieved parties of alleged SIR related deaths and SIR related issues. Now these are allegations from the TMC. The Trinamool suggests that these people came so that they could have been, they can interact with the media in the capital. But the kind of deployment done by the Delhi police, she's suggesting that this is a pressure tactics to mount fear, and she's been visiting both the Banga Bhavans. You can see she's right now leaving after visiting the Haley Road Banga Bhavan. Today she has a meeting with the Chief Election Commissioner where her 15-member delegation will be going to the ECI at 4 p.m. But before that, these are the kind of visuals, high voltage drama in the national capital as Mamata Banerjee is touring both the Banga Bhavans. She's saying this is atrocity by the Delhi police. She's raised some serious questions saying where was Delhi police during the explosion? Now they have turned this into a fortress under whose action. They said that why can't these people who have come from Bengal even speak to the media? She's saying that tomorrow she's going to do a press meet at 3 p.m. with all these aggrieved family members. But the major question is, which is being put forth from her side, why the deployment? I'll just show you the kind of deployment that's been done by Delhi police. This is her major bone of contention, and this is why she's been raising alarms.
It's right, and this is an ongoing problem, isn't it? And we'll see more of this. These tensions escalate in days and weeks to come. Shreya, this is a state headed to polls. The Chief Minister, TMC Supremo, is here to raise yet another issue of the SIR and the manner in which the exercise is being carried out in the state of Bengal. A lot of concerns on that front also getting raised here.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. She's written 6 letters to the Chief Election Commissioner, which she says none of them was answered. Now, finally, because she's got a permission to meet, it's interesting what will turn out at 4 p.m. But remember, the allegations from the TMC is that at least 140 people have died as the exercise is being carried out in the state of Bengal. This is something that the TMC alleges is due to the mounting pressure of the SIR exercise with multiple anomalies, people who are alive, whose names have been struck off as dead people. They have also been flown down from Bengal along with family members of those who allegedly died due to this process. Both of these, the group of these family members have been stationed at the Banga Bhavan here at Haley Road and the other one at Chanakyapuri. And that is the reason, the Delhi police, they wanted to keep a security check, because I spoke to the Delhi police sources myself and they have said that this is just a security protocol just to ensure there's no sudden protest that engulfs. This is an intel operation that's usually done on the part of Delhi police. But Mamata Banerjee says this is a pressure tactics. Why does the Delhi police need to turn both the Banga Bhavans into a fortress? They are here to speak to the media. They're not going to be a part of a protest. She's saying that this is something which is not necessary and this is something just to cause fear on the people. That's the reason meeting the people over here, and after meeting them, she's now gone back to her residence, and then at 4 p.m., we will see the larger drama unfold. But tomorrow there is an important press brief that the Trinamool Congress will also be doing on the SIR issue, which has become a huge political, a matter of importance in the state of West Bengal ahead of the elections.
The state is headed to elections. I'm going to continue that conversation. Shreya Chatterjee getting us up to speed in the lowdown of that drama that is playing out. Listen in to the Chief Minister.
हमारा केस हमारा इलेक्शन कमीशन में मीटिंग है, तो ये लोगों को सोचना चाहिए था कि हम ऑफिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आई हुई है। 150 आदमी को डेथ हो गया है, उसका परिवार बात नहीं कर सकता है मीडिया के साथ। हमारा बहुत सारे परिवार आया जो जिंदा है, जिसको मौत दिखाया वोटर लिस्ट से हटाने के लिए, उसका हक छीनने के लिए। तो इसी के लिए मैं जब सुना, मैं चला जिधर में वो है उधर में दिल्ली पुलिस भेज दिया है। जब दिल्ली में एक्सप्लोजन होता है तो दिल्ली पुलिस कहाँ रहता है? हम दिल्ली पुलिस को ब्लेम नहीं करेंगे, हम तो ब्लेम करेंगे उसको जो माथा पे है, उसको हिमालयन इनकॉम्पिटेंस है, देश को सुरक्षा नहीं दे सकते हैं, बंगाल को ऊपर टर्चर करते हैं, आम जनता को ऊपर टर्चर करते हैं।